Today we'll be making chili sauce. Hooray! Red chilies, 12 tomatoes, 6 onions and
we got some delicious food to try the sauce with.
Today we'll be making chili sauce. Hooray! Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan UK. I am your chef Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. In this channel, we grow, we harvest and we cook. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could be notified for our future videos.
Without further ado, let's start making chili sauce. For this recipe, we'll need about 30 red hot spicy chilies. For this recipe, we need 12 fresh ripe tomatoes. We'll be making 1 litre of chili sauce. For this recipe, we'll be using 30 hot red chilies, 12 tomatoes, 6 onions and 2 garlic and some fresh coriander. Dad, it's time for you to cut the vegetables.
We are giving away 5 chili sauce to our 5 lucky subscribers. We will give you details how to enter the competition at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Remember, hygiene comes first. Don't forget to wash your garden vegetables. Take the stem off the chilies, just like that. So we need about 30 of them. Chop the tomatoes in small pieces. Chop the onions, dice the onions in small pieces. About 20 cloves of garlic. We want to crush the garlic. Put a knife above the cloves of garlic and push against it, so crush it. Chop some fresh coriander finely.
Thanks, Dad. You've done a really good job preparing the vegetables. Now, let's add the chilies, onions, garlic into the vegetable grinder. Look at this beautiful colour. It smells so nice and spicy. It looks delicious. Get a pan and on a low heat add 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil heats up, add your chili, garlic and onion into the pan. Add salt for taste. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a good mix and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Whew. That's what it makes me do every time I try this sauce. Have a look at this, guys. It's sweetened and reduced size already. Now let's chop up the tomatoes and add them in. It's time to add the tomatoes. Add the chopped coriander and give it a good mix. Leave it to simmer for 20 minutes on a medium heat and don't forget to check it from time to time. Oh wow, look at this beauty. It looks so nice and spicy. We're going to put the sauce in a nice glass jar to preserve it. We're going to sterilize these jars in hot water so it kills all the bugs and bacteria, and we can keep it up to a year. Put it in the hot water for 5 minutes and don't forget the lid. Use a funnel to pour the sauce into the jars. Wow, don't they look beautiful? Now it's time to try these beauties. It's time to try the chili sauce, made with our homegrown chilies.
We got some delicious food to try the sauce with. We got some salmon, what's that?
Salmon meatballs.
Salmon meatballs, some samosas and some
chicken strips.
Chicken strips.
They look so nice.
Come on, Akib, let's dig into this.
I can't wait to try the chili sauce.
Akib, you're going to take the pleasure of trying first?
Yes.
What are you going to try?
I'm going to try the chicken strips. I'm really hungry. Let me try some of the sauce.
What does it taste like?
It's so yummy. Oh, it's spicy at the same time. Oh, that just woke me up. This is not for the faint-hearted. Dad, it's your turn to try it now.
I'm going to try this salmon pakora.
How is it?
Oh, it has a nice kick to it. It's delicious, Akib.
I know.
It's honestly so delicious. 5 lucky subscribers can taste this chili sauce. If you want to enter the competition, all you need to do, like the video and make sure you subscribe to it and leave us a comment saying that you want to enter the competition.
And that you have liked and subscribed.
And we will choose 5 subscribers randomly. And we will let you know the winners on our next videos. And we will get in touch through the comment section. Chili sauce to 5 lucky subscribers.
Dad, it's delicious.
It's delicious. It's amazing. If you want to know how we grow our chilies and how we care for our chilies, all you have to do, click that eye up here. And there's so much information we've given on our videos, how to grow them, how to care for them. We're having a fantastic year for our chili plants. If you also want to watch some of our cooking videos, Akib is a good cook.
Yes, I'm a really good chef, Dad.
Hit that eye up here. We'll also leave the link in the description down below. I'll try one more. I'm going to try some chicken, Akib.
This sauce is way too nice, Dad.
It's beautiful. There's 5 lucky of you who will receive 5 homemade chili sauce from us. So enjoy it.
I hope you are sharing my videos. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Don't forget to check out my second channel, Akib's Fun TV. I make interesting personal vlogs. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. And I'll see you in the next one.